What is the best way to clean Oriental rug? Remove all the dirt and soil. Remove all the urine crystal that caused the bad odor. What is the best cleaning process? Let me show you in a second.
My dog peed on the carpet and I don't know what to do. My mother said PetPeePee works and it guarantees it too. PetPeePee.
Take a look at this beautiful, made in India, beautiful Oriental rug. Then it smelled so bad from cat's urine odor and a cleaning product the customer used. On a daily basis, we receive Oriental rug from all over United States and the globe. The Oriental rug came to PetPeePee warehouse. They are saturated with the urine odor. And in most cases, they came to us after Oriental rug cleaner, the homeowner, steam cleaning, dry cleaner, try to clean the Oriental rug and remove the urine odor. Why it's so difficult to clean Oriental rug, remove the urine odor? Very simple. The urine crystal hiding deep in a foundation of the rug. The area then it's impossible to reach. It's between the cotton and the wool combined together. The urine then it's hiding this deep inside this area will release the aroma of the pee-pee and will drive the lady crazy. Nobody likes the smell of urine. So you buy some cleaning product from the store that contain soap, enzyme, detergent, Febreze, a nice smell, just to break down this awful urine odor. Even you send your Oriental rug to your local Oriental rug cleaner and the Oriental rug come back to you still with unpleasant smell. So the question is how you can get rid of the urine odor completely. Completely. How you can do that. Take a look how the vacuum in the PetPeePee machine extract all the urine, all the cleaner through the Why it's so important to clean the Oriental rug this way? Very simple. You have to rinse the Oriental rug, wash the Oriental rug through the fiber. This is how you get rid of all the urine crystal that's hiding deep inside. When the tube is clear, all the urine crystal disappear. I ask my customers upon delivery, put your nose whatever you want on the clean rug. Guarantee in writing, never color on, no trace of urine odor, and never fuzziness, because we don't use a scrubber. PetPeePee, a cleaning process that makes sense. A cleaning process that reward PetPeePee on Google for more than 140 reviews, all of them 5-star. Thank you for watching enjoy my video. You have a good day.